In this quick video, I'll show you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Once you clear all the cache and junk from your computer performance will be more better and it will load faster. So for that, firstly we need to press Windows R to open run. Once you open run, type here prefetch. I just need to type here prefetch just like so. Then click on OK. Now it will ask you for your permission. Click on OK. After that, it will show you all the cache files which are stored in your computer. Select any of the file and then hit Ctrl A on your computer to select all of the files. Now press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to delete these files. The reason we are pressing Shift Delete is because we want to permanently delete all these files. Just click on yes and then it will delete all the files from your computer. Now close this tab and again hit Windows R on your keyboard. Then it will again open run window here. This time we will type here temp. Then click on OK. And now it will show us this window where we need to again select any file. Hit Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all these files, then Shift Delete to permanently delete these files. Don't worry, all these files are not required and are not created by you. These are all junk files, and if any of the files can't get deleted, as you can see these files can't be deleted, so for that we will leave these files here, or you can skip it. I'll simply skip here. Now close this tab and again open run. For that press Windows R and now this time enter here %temp just like so and then click on open. Now this time this will open this folder where all these files are junk. I'll simply select one file, Ctrl A and Shift Delete just like so. Now click on yes and then our all files will be deleted. Some files may not be deleted because as I mentioned earlier, these files are used by some programs. For that, click here and then click on skip and now close this tab once again, and for the last time again hit Windows R on your keyboard and now this time type here clean mgr just like so. Now click on OK. Then it will give you this pop-up where it will automatically select your C drive because that's where your Windows is installed. I'll simply select my C drive, then click on OK. Now again it will give you this pop-up where we need to select all these files or folders, you can say. I'll simply tick on everything and now click on OK. Then it will ask you to permanently delete these files. I want to delete these files, that's why I'll simply click on delete files and now it will clean your C drive and now your PC will be more faster and it will perform more better. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.